Do these things every morning, and see how it will change you. Before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Anytime we read about things to do after waking up, we are given a list of impractical to-dos, such as visualizing the day ahead or saying a bunch of thank yous. Let's be honest, not everyone can do these every day, day after day. So, let's skip these and talk about the steps that you can take with ease to make your mornings pleasant. Get up as soon as your alarm goes off. One of the most important steps for me was changing my mindset about waking up. It was easy for me to hit snooze because my morning mind was focused on returning back to my warm, welcoming bed. But now, waking up in mornings are different for me. Every time my alarm rings, I focus on the fact that it's a new day with new opportunities. Pray to God. Morning prayers can refresh and recharge your soul as you get ready to take on the day with help from the best place possible, our Creator. We should treat morning prayers like prayer itself, as a time to get closer to God by expressing our love for Him, thanking Him for His blessings and offering Him everything good and bad in our day and doing His will. Begin your day with this prayer for the morning. Drink a lot of water. One of the simplest to-dos, but the most overlooked. Drinking a glass or two of water in the mornings helps kickstart metabolism, flush out toxins, and hydrate the body. Treat it as an investment in your health. Stretch your body. Your body acts like it wants more sleep, just the way you do. Stretching can wake those muscles up, get the blood flowing to all parts, and send a signal to your body to wake up and get ready for the day. You can couple stretching with exercise or yoga if you have such a routine in place or plan to start one. If you don't, stretching should be enough. Let the sun shine in. You've spent the entire night, including perhaps late evening, inside the house, and under artificial lights. Head outdoors in the morning to experience the warmth of the sun on your body. Your eyes will light up, your skin will glow, and you'll feel like you're on top of the world. Eat some breakfast. Eating a morning meal will help you shake that sluggishness off, and leave you feeling fresh and energetic. A note of advice: don't reach for that packet of wafers in the morning. Eating healthy will set the tone for your eating habits for the rest of the day. Keep your conversations positive. Have positive conversations in the morning to start the day on a positive note. A heated argument or fight early in the day can cause your day to crash land and never recover for the day.